These guys have balls. Oh, Jesus. Oh, shit. Don't do it. You're going to get attacked by birds.
Don't scare. You won't be dancing.
Oh, it's happening. Here we are. We got a man. He's helping Lindsay feed the pigeons. Oh, she's going to do it. Oh, there it's happening. Oh, now we're following the man. Now we're following a stranger. Oh, there's a bird, there's a pigeon eating out of our hands. There's a pigeon. There is officially a pigeon eating out of Lindsay's hands. What do you think of that? Back up just a little bit into the light.
It's kind of heavy.
Oh, he's gone. Well, they're well fed. Oh, I think we're officially gonna get killed by pigeons. With our senor over here. If I have turds on me, it might happen. Oh, that pigeon's scared. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. That's happening.
You gotta count on $1.
Oh man.
Don't scare.
They're fighting each other.
Yeah, this one.
They're fighting each other. The majestic pigeon. Oh, Jesus. Say hi to me and my buddy right here. Hey. All right, well, that was insane. All right, corral us out.